dear students, I hope all of you doing well. Today's lesson is about successions. As you know, when an environment changes, communities of organisms in the environment also change. So succession is a predictable change that occur in a environment, and then species of organisms colonize in this environment. So let's take a start of successions or changes to the environment. As I said before, succession is a process by which communities of plant and animal colonize an area and then over time replaced by other kinds of or species of organisms. So here we have no any organisms or the pioneer one, and then by passing of time the species be more evolved and the higher plants of and animals. So the successions depending on the environment, it's classified to the primary successions, and the primary succession have many stages. So the primary succession starts from the battle rocks or water. So the first we just have water or rock in the environment. For example, volcanic islands, we have just rock or water. Stage 1, in this stage we just have the pioneer species. Here we have the battle rock, which the small living things like the lichens, these are species of lichens, they can live on a dry places like the rock, so they can by enzymes, by helping of enzyme, they can degrade and destroy the surface of the rocks, getting energy and then producing small amounts of soil, so they can withstand these species. They can live or withstand desiccations in dry places, because the surface of the rocks, they are mostly dry, and they can also withstand high or and low temperatures or low of levels of nutrients. So the pioneer species, they can withstand desiccations, temperature and low levels of nutrients. After these species we have stage 2, which is the ferns and the ferns and mosses. So these are the primary or the primary species of the plants. They are too simple, like mosses and ferns. They, after the lichens penetrate the rocks and make a hostile environment to these species, these simple species, and then the pioneer species penetrate the brick and break the rocks, and then the moss and ferns can grow on it and kill the pioneer species. The stage number 3, after that we have moss and fern, so we said they kill or stop further growth of lichens. And then, by passing of times, the herbaceous plants, like this plant, the herbaceous or shrubs can grow, and these herbaceous and shrubs can grow, and some other small flowering plants also can grow there, and this cause dying of these mosses and ferns maybe. In the stage 4, after that, the higher evolved plants like the woody plants can grow and inhabit the place, and this shading effect can cause to die or kill the smaller one. So by passing the times after generations, we have a forest of full evolved plants. So this one happened from the bara rocks or water to highly evolved plant in a specific environment. So this is all about this lesson. I hope all of you understand very well. You are free to ask any questions, and thank you for watching and listening.